Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I got a plan I like here, ANET. Now, this is an interesting pattern here, the kind of strength that this stock has and hasn't yet moved in these market conditions. So ANET is set up to test 280 to 290. The June 15 to 260 calls could be used. Before I talk about this plan and everything, one thing I like about this is a stock where the stock clown, shorted at 225 and still to this day wrong the big picture. Stock clown, you stock clown. There's a lot of stock clowns out there. But anyways, people, I'm a big picture expert, so I got the big picture advice. So here's what I'm saying to you. This stock here, high odds it's going to go try to test 280, 290, Low end being 270. Now, ANET needs to, I will explain inside the video that that's right. So I'm going to post inside of PowerGroupTrades the confirmation. I like this plan on confirmation, okay? And I'm looking to use these June 18 260 calls, again, on confirmation. I like this very much on the proper confirmation that I will explain inside of PowerGroupTrades. Let me show you what I'm talking about, people. Let me show you. All right, people. This is Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. That's right, people. If you want to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, you want to study my YouTube channel. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go together to my YouTube channel. You want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? And all right, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades. Confirmation is key. That's right, people. Listen up. You want to study my created playlist, but you see here, this May 23 Power Target Trades live stream, I explain how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades. It's very simple, but I don't want anybody to become a member. I want people that really like my work. You could check out my created playlist, Powerful Things, and I want to show you something. I want you to go to my website here. There's a lot of great things like this Amazon plan here. I got to put in my created playlist. Netflix, 400 credit. I mean, the last great winning gains in Netflix we had here. Greater than 400% gains. You should check out this video. Very, very, actually, you know what? I'm going to put it right inside this video. There's going to be a link to see this video. You should see this. So you want to study. You want to know what I'm about, okay? I'm the big picture expert, and you're going to understand that if you study my created playlist. Making great gains in all kinds of stocks. And I like ANET. On confirmation, it doesn't really trade that greatest with options, but that 260 calls are trading well enough that it should work. I saw there's about 800. Let me show you something. All right, so here we are on the Yahoo Finance ANET. It's closed at 250. It's up 11 today, even with the market being so weak. So here's the June 15, 2018 calls. And it's not just that. It's just that I like the pattern and everything, right? So you can see there is some trading happening. There's 853 open interest. There was 43 contracts traded over here. So it's tradable. Probably the spreads are about, I can see by the close there, this looks like the spreads are about 50 cents, 50 to 30 cents spreads, okay? But you know what? If this confirms and does well, this thing can do really great gains. 200% gainer, a 100 on the low end to 200 to 300% gainer in ANET. Very strong pattern on confirmation. All right, so if you don't have a YouTube account, get one, subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. You can see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. You see that at the end of the video. Also, what I'm going to post for you is this video link to see my last great Netflix winning plan. This is big picture thinking, things that the stock clown can't do. They want to give advice. The stock clowns like to give advice, but they run at a 50% gain. They can't make 400% gains. They can't have the vision. They don't have the skill. You're too small-minded, stock clown. And Power Trigger Trade, yours truly, Power Trigger Trade. I post great ideas, big gains. Power Trigger Trade, people. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. a lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like